Good evening, everybody. Today, I'm going to make a video about the IPA chart. As you can see, there are 44 sounds in this IPA chart with 20 vowel sounds and 24 consonants. Today, we will focus on 12 single vowel sounds. Look at this chart with 3 sections. The first section, the second section, and the last section. In each section, the mouth changes the position. In the top section, the mouth is quite narrow. In the second section, the mouth will become a little bigger, and the last section, the mouth is big and round. Let me demonstrate. E, A, A. Again. E, A, A. Also, the sound is coming from the different part of the mouth. In the first section, the sound is coming from the front of the mouth. In the second section, the sound is coming from the middle of the mouth. And the third section, the sound is coming the back of the mouth. Let's see. E, E, A, A, O, I, A, A. Okay. Now we will practice with some example and sentence. E, please, believe, see, I believe in me, I believe in me. It, kiss, sit, lick, lick lip, lick lip. Look, book, cook. Look at the book. Look at the book. Ooh, shoot, shoot, shoe, shoe. Cool, cool. Blue shoes, blue shoes. Bat, dab, dab. Man, I bet you can. I bet you can. Cat, cat. Apple, apple. Dad, dad. A cat and an apple. A cat and an apple. Teacher, teacher. Equal, equal. 11, 11. He is a teacher. He is a teacher. Bird, world, world. World. I want to travel around the world. I want to travel around the world. R, far, door, pause, open the door, close the door. Laugh, luck. Money, lucky money. R, far, car, star. I live far from here. I live far from here. Up, up, dog. Hot, hot. Lock, lock. I like to eat hot dog. I like to eat hot dog. Okay, that's it. And I hope you will practice to master single vowel sound. Bye. See you next time.